Hey everybody, welcome back to Daniel's Devlogs. So, what happened today? Well, I guess what happened yesterday, first off. So, we had a team meeting. The first one where everybody had their tasks and we were able to discuss kind of what was going on, which was cool. So, got to hear about progress and where people were at and got some opportunities for feedback, which is good, and got together, which was ultimately the goal. So we will have more and more of those as we prepare for our alpha, which is coming up. But then I worked on the movement system for the game. So I was able to get a fix for that issue where it was kind of glitching down, which is cool. I'll show you in the next one. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so if you'll recall, the issue was when you walk off a ledge, because of what's called the ground stick force, which is this y minus 20, which is pretty high, higher than gravity, which would start at 0. Basically, it's kind of like the thing that's forcing you down, right? So it's going to keep you on the floor, which is important. But if you, for one frame, essentially, it would jolt the character down, and then it would reset to 0 and then slowly fall like you'd expect. So the way it works now, you see that little green line right there? It is basically a raycast, which will, essentially it's a sensor that's gonna check if there's any ground right here, and if there's not, it's gonna turn yellow, which is just the visual sign, but it'll set the Y force to 0, which will let me walk off, just like normal. So that's kind of how it works. If y'all have any questions, let me know. Okay, this is the next bug on the list. So we have a really cool, super awesome air dash. Well, if you do that right next to a wall, looking straight into the wall, the character's like, oh, I'm just gonna implant myself in here until the dash is done, and then it'll pop right out, which is not what we want. So what essentially is happening is this capsule right there is what's called the character controller, and that is basically just glitching through the side here and causing it to freak out. So my plan is I'm gonna look at tomorrow a way to detect, which we need to figure out anyway, a way to detect collisions around the capsule so it knows, okay, I'm touching a wall, or I'm touching a ceiling, or I'm touching the floor, right? We have the floor essentially, but we wanna get the walls and the ceiling so we can know what we need to do. So anyway, I will keep you all updated on that later. Have a great day.